How to remove page number in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I have this page number over here on the top. I added these on the top and there's one in the bottom as well. So in order to remove it, go to insert, go to page numbers, go to more option. You can just delete this like this. This. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.